Epistrophe. What is an epistrophe? It's the repetition of a word at the end of a successive clause or sentence. This term is derived from a Greek word that means turning upon. This indicates that the same word returns at the end of each sentence. So is this a scheme or a trope? Well, an epistrophe is a scheme, and here's why. It focuses on the arrangement of words or group of words repeated at the end of a clause. So this fits more along with a scheme, which is a change in standard word order and pattern, rather than a trope, which refers to more metaphorical and figurative language. The epistrophe creates a dramatized effect because of the emphasis on the last word in the clause. This emphasis also makes the phrase memorable and creates rhythm and repetition. Here's an example. That the government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. And this is from the Gettysburg Address by Abraham Lincoln. The repetition of the people at the end of the clause creates this as an epistrophe. It also creates an effect of emphasis on the people or the subject of this phrase. Also, it creates a rhythm because the people is repeated 3 times successively. Our next example is from Samuel Beckett in his piece, The Unnameable. In it, it says, "Where now? Who now? When now?" This is an epistrophe because of the repetition now at the end of each successive clause. This creates an effect that's memorable to the reader. Our next quotation is from John F. Kennedy's speech at Wittenberg College. It reads like this: "For no government is better than the men who compose it, and want the best, and we need the best, and we deserve the best." In this, the repetition of the best successively 3 times makes this an epistrophe. It also creates an effect of emphasis on the best. It makes it memorable to listeners. Our last quotation is from William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. In it, it reads, "If you had known the virtue of the ring, or half her the worthiness that gave the ring, or your own honor to contain the ring, you would not then have parted with the ring." The repetition of the ring 4 times successively creates this as an epistrophe. It also creates dramatization over the ring. It makes it memorable to the reader. Also, it creates a sort of rhythm that you can see when you read it out loud as you stress the ring 4 times successively.